the URC is a young program, and so most of our students are still, in the program and haven't completed the program up yet. There are two students that completed the program, and both students are doing postdoctoral science research. One student is here at Howard as part of the URC conducting that research in a NASA-related field. The other student is working at Goddard.
Hi, my name is Monique Calhoun. I am a third-year graduate student here at Howard University. I'm working on my PhD in physics. I am in the NASA URC program, and it's great. It gives me a lot of opportunities for research and for meeting people in my fields. Right now, I'm teaching a class. My students are taking an exam, and it's been really fun. So, thank you.
Two primary goals of the program. One is to engage in basic scientific research that's important to the nation, specifically important to NASA. The second goal is essentially to engage students in that research that's, again, important to NASA and to the nation, and to train those students to be academic leaders. For example, one of the things that NASA is responsible for doing is deploying satellite and taking space-based measurements of climate and weather. And one important program is to measure precipitation, rainfall globally. We have an important part in that to validate those measurements here on the ground that are being taken from space. So we're training students, we're providing an important service to NASA while training students to conduct these sort of what we call validation research.
My name is Cassie Stearns, and I'm a graduate student here at Howard University, and this is our Beltsville site. What we're basically doing here is we're taking a look at weather and climate studies.
Hi, my name is Mariama Orange. My degree is in electrical engineering. The topic that I'm working on now, and I'm turning my head towards a structure here at BCCSO, and that's the Doppler radar. And it's actually owned by WTTG Fox 5 for their weather reports. What I have here is a picture. I actually got it from a book called New York Times Circuits, How Electronic Things Work. And this is a pretty good picture of what's inside the radome. Now the radome is just, like it says here, a fiberglass shell that protects the antenna. It allows for the microwaves to come out, but not for other things to come in.
So right here we have a display of the Doppler radar, and I believe Mariama gave an explanation about the tower a little earlier. From the image you can see we have Virginia, DC, the little area, Maryland, and further in the northeast. And right here where you see the very end where it's not moving, that's the actual location of where the Doppler is actually located. And the white beam that circles around that area is just the scan that it does. And so from this radar right now, we get a visualization of about reflectivity. So from here you can see areas of green and yellows and reds, and that's just reflectivity of water vapor and possibly ice particles in the atmosphere. From this we can tell, we can see thunderstorms, rain, drizzle. Also you can get other types of activities such as mosquitoes or gust fronts and things of that nature from this image.
My name is Demetrius Venable. I'm a professor of physics at Howard University. The relationship between the mentor and the intern at the URC program is traditional. It's similar to what one would expect at other programs of this type, and it's similar to what one would expect in any sort of a research environment. What you would hope to do as a mentor is to provide an opportunity for a student, an intern in this case, to involve himself or herself in some exciting, interesting, and hopefully very meaningful research activity. And in our particular case, research activities that relate to atmospheric physics, atmospheric sciences in general, atmospheric chemistry.
I'm Kelvin Goodman, a junior computer engineering major at Howard, and I'm a NASA URC intern.
Hi, my name is Megan Payne, and I am a graduate student at Howard University starting in the fall. And this is my second year at NASA URC's internship here at Beltsville. And the best thing that I like about the internship is that it gives everybody a chance to get out into the field and to do research in the field that they like.
My name is Jerome Puza. I am an undergraduate electrical engineering student at the University of Maryland, College Park. I'm a NASA URC intern.
Hi, how you doing? My name is Stanford Carter. I'm a sophomore physics major at Howard University, and this summer my project, I'm working with the polarization of light with the Dabble LiDAR system. See, what happens is a LiDAR system sends light into the atmosphere, and then the backscattered light that comes back down is then analyzed, and it tells you about the composition of the atmosphere. But the problem with the Dabble system, at its current configuration, it can't tell you the composition of, say, a cloud. It can't tell you if a cloud is made up of ice crystals or it's made up of water vapor. My project is to use the polarization, the depolarization of light to analyze the composition of a ice cloud or water vapor cloud.
The atmospheric sciences program as a whole has existed for, roughly just a little over 10 years. If we look at the experience there, what we see is that 99% of our students are going into STEM fields. So we're doing a good job in that sense, that 99% of our students are going into STEM fields. 60% of them are going into atmospheric sciences. A lesser percentage is going into industry, and an even lesser percentage is going into academia. In terms of another 60% are going into to government. So actually, what that shows that being here in the Beltway, within the Beltway, most of our students are getting jobs within the federal government. We're always looking for students, for good students, and so we have an application process. They can go on our website to look at our website and see the work that we do, and essentially submit an application. A lot of the students have come through our summer internship program, so that's a good start for students that are graduating to come through the internship program. And then after getting a little bit of experience and seeing whether or not they like the work that we're doing, then after the internship program, essentially enrolling into the graduate program.
So as you can see, NASA URC provides students with the unique ability to attain hands-on field experience while at the same time providing financial aid while working on their desired degrees. If that alone doesn't get you excited about submitting an application, then I don't know what will.